Thursday morning? Good.
Hey YOLO famers, what's up? It's your boy, Mr. Dank Meme, and with my friend here, Josh the Master. Like a boss. Today we have a video about the cool trend, Fidget Spinners. Totally rad, dude. Rock on. Today we're gonna see how long this fidget spinner can spin for. Let's get into business.
Whoa. Hey, bro. Are you serious?
You totally see that, bro.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, dang. Oh, like a boss.
Like a
pound it. Noggin. Put it on. Put it on. Oh.
Still going.
What? Made of steel. Rad. I'm rad. Dang.
Rad.
Whoa. Rad it is. Rad. Whoa!
Yeah.
No! What? Whoa! No way!
Have you seen this video?
No!
Wow.
Dang!
Oh my God.
No way!
That was sick.
That was amazing!
That was sick.
Make sure you smash the like button, squad dudes, and then we'll see you later for another dank dope video.
Right.
Pound it, bro!
Peace out.
Dank!